Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a financial plan with Fidelity, beginner guide step by step clearly. Creating a financial plan with Fidelity is a straightforward process. Begin by visiting the Fidelity website. If you're a new user, click on Open an account. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Next, select the type of account that suits your needs. You may choose individual brokerage, retirement, or managed accounts. Once you've selected an account type, fill in your personal information. This includes your name, address, and social security number. Fidelity may ask for your employment and financial information as well. After completing the registration, you'll receive a confirmation email. Log in to your new account once it's activated. To start building your financial plan, navigate to the Planning tab. From the drop-down menu, select Guidance and Tools. Here, you will find various resources tailored for financial planning. Begin with the Retirement Planning tool if that's your focus. Input your current age, expected retirement age, and annual income. Fidelity will provide personalized recommendations based on this data. Next, explore the Budgeting tool under the same tab. This tool helps you analyze your income and expenses. Enter your monthly income and fixed expenses to get started. The tool will identify areas where you can save more. Now, consider your investment options. Go to the Investment Strategies section for guidance. Review Fidelity's recommended asset allocation models. Choose an investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals. If you need more help, click on Speak with an Advisor. Fidelity offers the option to connect with a financial advisor. Set up a meeting to discuss your financial situation and goals. After this meeting, refine your plan based on the advisor's feedback. Once you have a solid plan, monitor your progress regularly. Return to the Planning tab and review your goals frequently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.